Multiplying polynomials. So how do we multiply them? In the first example, we have two monomials. Add the exponents of x and copy y. That is x squared y. In the second example, we have one monomial and a binomial. So we have to distribute this monomial to the binomial. That is 3x times 2x, that is 6x squared. Next is 3x times y squared, that is 3xy squared. So that is the answer. In the next examples, we have two binomials, so we're gonna do the FOIL method. First, outer, inner, and last. Let's start multiplying. 3x times x squared, that is 3x cubed. For outer, we have 3x times y, that is 3xy. Then inner, y and x squared, that is x squared y. Lastly, y times y, so plus y squared. We have no like terms here, so that is the final answer. Our fourth examples are also two binomials, so let's answer this. Using the FOIL method, so first, 2x times x, that is 2x squared. And then outer, that is 2x times negative y squared, so that is negative 2x y squared. And then the inner, here we have x and y, so xy plus x times negative y squared, that is negative y cubed. We also don't have like terms, so that is now the final answer. In case there are like terms in our answers, so we just need to add or subtract them. For example, we have xy plus xy, so just add them, that is 2xy. We also have two binomials in our next example, so let's do the FOIL method. First, 3xy and x, that is 3x squared y. For outer, we have 3xy times negative xy squared, and we have negative 3x squared y cubed. For the inner terms, we have x squared and x, that is x cubed. Last is x squared times negative xy squared, that is negative x cubed y squared. We don't have like terms again, so that is the final answer. And now we go down with our last examples, a binomial and a trinomial. In here, we just need to make sure that every term in our binomial is multiplied to every term in our trinomial. So this x here should be multiplied to 3x, to 2y, and to negative 4. Also for our second term, y needs to multiply every term in our trinomial. So we should start now. X times 3x, that is 3x squared. Next, x times 2y, that is 2xy. And then x times negative 4, that is negative 4x. Now we go with y times 3x, that is 3xy. Then y times 2y, that is plus 2y squared. Then y times negative 4, that is negative 4y. As we can see, we have two like terms here, the 2xy and 3xy. So we need to add them in our final answer. Our final answer is 3x squared, 2xy plus 3xy, that is 5xy, minus 4x plus 2y squared minus 4y. And that's it. Hope you like this video.